images for Halloween. So we've gone through and we have redone every single NPC. That's right, we've changed every single one to have all new cosplays for Halloween. So this is just a very, very small selection. I mean, there's like what? There's over 25 NPCs, I think, in the shops. And this is just a 10 out of like 25 or 30 some odd NPCs. So it's a small selection. We got, well, let's see, we got Doctor Who over here. We got, you get the point. There's all sorts of, we got even a classic Game Boy here. All sorts of cool different outfits and characters that our NPCs are cosplaying this year. So, cool. All right. So yeah, be sure to check out our Halloween event. It's going to be a ton of fun. It's going to be starting up in the next week or two. So I can't really say exactly when it's going to start because I don't want to get in trouble in case we don't hit the date. But you get the point. We're going to be starting it very shortly. It's going to be really exciting. We're hoping to get it out either, well, in the next 2 to 3 weeks or so. So it's going to be really exciting. And we can't wait to have you guys participate and experience in our Halloween event. All right, our Gaia Online event page. This is something that we've kind of put on the back burner, but we're still thinking about it. We're still working on it. But there's so many other big projects that are coming out. This is something that's going to take a little bit of time for us to do. It's a little bit bigger scope, but basically what it is, it's going to be a brand new landing page that you guys can go to, where you will see the schedule of all of the Gaia online events. So you can schedule out your week, schedule out your month. If you really want to participate in the Halloween event, you'll know when it's going to start and when it's going to end. So you know exactly how much time you'll need to spend in order to make sure you get all those cool items. Alright, sometimes we've had people say, I didn't know it was going to end yesterday. That's not fair. I was 2 clicks away from winning the ultimate awesomeness of Doom item. And it's like, yeah, well, tough shenanigans. You should have read the announcement, punk. No, but in all seriousness, we don't want to say that, right? We want you guys to be able to participate. We want you guys to have fun. And we want you guys to stay informed. So the best way for us to do that is to create a cool page, a cool event landing page, or calendar, where you can get a sense of everything that we have scheduled, everything that's coming out soon, and a schedule around that. In addition, we're going to have a couple different tabs here, where we are also going to have Gaia user events posted. So you guys can pay a certain amount of gold and get one of your events listed on the event page. So you can have people come to your thread, participate in your contest, do your arena giveaway, do whatever activity you want to do, a role play in towns, a play that you guys are going to be doing, whatever it might be, you can have that opportunity to put it up here and get it advertised. So that way other people can find out about your event and participate. So it's pretty awesome. We're really excited about that. All right, so partnerships. How many of you guys have checked out some of the cool partnerships that we've been doing? Okay, all right, a few of you. Well, we've been partnering with a lot of really cool companies to bring some official items out to you guys on Gaia, including the Adventure Time items, which are still available, I believe, and the Cash Shot. I could be wrong. I'm pretty certain they're still available. And we also brought you Full Metal Alchemist items. Those are going to be available for a very limited time, only a couple more months before they're going to be pulled down. But those are available in the Neko Neko, so be sure to grab one of those. There's a couple of really awesome items. They were an SD Plus doll collection. And our chance item collection, we get a chance of winning some really cool items to dress up like your favorite characters from Full Metal Alchemist. How many of you guys have checked that out and participated already? Got some of those items? Awesome. How about Adventure Time? How many of you guys did that? Cool. How about The Walking Dead? When we did The Walking Dead? Alright. And then how about Tiger and Bunny? Yeah, we just released this on Monday. We partnered with Viz Media, and we were really excited about that. We brought official Tiger and Bunny items to Gaia. You can actually hang out with your favorite Tiger and Bunny characters as SD Plus dolls or as companion items. We have the full suite of characters here for you guys to choose from. It's a CI, of course, for the SD Plus dolls, so you never know which ones you're going to get. But as for the companions, you can go ahead and pick one of those up in Neko Neko for $2, I think they are, and hang out and dress up your avatar with some of your favorite characters from Tiger and Bunny. We're working really hard with many other companies to try to get more partnerships out to you guys. As you know, we haven't been doing sponsorships lately, right? We got you guys' feedback from that, and we've been trying to do other things and other ways to get cool stuff out to you guys as well. So this is one really awesome way to get some official merchandise, official items out to you guys on Gaia. So be sure to keep your eyes open for more contests and more partnerships like that. All right, our offers page. How many of you guys like free cash? How many of you guys earn free cash every day on Gaia? Oh, how many of you don't? Oh man, you're missing out on some awesome opportunities. This is the old school offer page. It's really big and bulky and hella confusing. You got to click on this, and then that loads a page here, and then they have to click on that, and goes to another page, and another page, and blah. It's a pain in the ass. So what we did, we tore it apart, we started from scratch, and we created a brand new offer page flow. So now, all you need to do is you click on that dancing cash screen in the top right corner of your screen, and then it takes you to this page. When you're on this page, you have two choices. You can either do traditional offers, so that's where you can sign up for Netflix, or buy flowers, or do something you're already planning on doing, and getting free cash just for doing it. So you can click on that traditional offer button. It takes you here to our new flow. We've partnered up with TrialPay. Everything's organized. Everything's condensed. It's very easy. There's next to no scam. Actually, there's like no scam. It's awesome. There's no issues. We haven't had any issues with this. It's really exciting, and we're really excited to work with that company. So some great payouts. Some of the biggest payouts we've ever had is now available for free cash with their traditional offers. But more importantly, we now have a ton of new video offers. It's the fastest and easiest way to get cash. You click on this button, it takes you to this page. You choose which one you want to participate in. Boom, you click on that, it pops it up, and watch a little 30-second video, and you get free cash. Sometimes you get 50 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, a penny, whatever. You get the point. At the end of the day, it's free cash. And we've tried to get rid of all those junk offers that are like half a penny or a penny, and we've tried to bring you guys this really high-quality stuff. All right, we got companies that pay out like 20 cents to 50 cents on average. As well as other companies that pay out like 5 to 10 cents. But there is a limit, right? You can only do them like once a day and stuff like that. So how do we give you guys more opportunities to do that? Well, by bringing more companies. Instead of just partnering with one, we have 5 different offer companies now. We just released token ads about a week ago. So a lot more videos for you to watch, a lot more ways to earn cash. And you can pretty much just get a free CI or a free MC just by doing these like once or twice a day. So it's pretty awesome. If you guys can, take a look at that. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to check it out. The Gaia blog. How many of you have seen that blog on the new logged in homepage? All right, the new logged in homepage got retrofitted. We gutted the whole bottom part, which is full of nonsense, and we brought this new section. It's very organized, very clean, and easier to understand. You got your announcements, you got your dev notices, and then you got the Gaia blog. The Gaia blog is a new way for us to showcase your guys' content to everyone else. You guys see a theme here? We got the event calendar where you can start advertising your stuff. Now we're doing it. You get the point. We want to get more opportunities for you guys to get more people to check out your threads. And the best way to do that is to showcase your stuff here on the homepage. So all you need to do is email GaiaBlog@GaiaOnline.com with a cool thread or a cool idea saying, hey, I want to do a movie review. Or I want to do a summary of how to play Gaia tiles. Or I want to give a newbie summary of how to dress up a cool avatar in red. Whatever you want, think of a cool idea. It's kind of like a mini journalism thing, right? Put together a couple articles and email GaiaBlog@GaiaOnline.com with your thread, and we'll see if we can get it showcased here in the Gaia blog. So it's a cool way for you guys to get your content shown to everyone. Another big update that we've had recently is our Gaia Forum title system. So now whenever you complete an achievement, you unlock 2 words. And you can mix and match these words to create a custom title that is shown at the bottom of all of your posts in the forums. So the more stuff you do on the site, the more achievements you get, the more hardcore you are, or special events and really hard to get achievements you earn, now you can start getting credit for that by showing it off how cool you are in the forum. So not only can you show off your 3 badges, you now also have a really cool title. So if you really want to be, you can be a original, shopper. That's kind of stupid. But you get my point. You can come up with something really funny. You're a greedy gecko. Yeah, that's random. You get my point. You can just have a lot of fun, come create some really custom titles, a lot of witty titles, and it's just a really cool way for you guys to showcase your achievements and what you've done all around the forums. All right, we're going to be doing our raffle in just a few minutes, so stick with me here. We got 2 more things we're going to talk about before our first raffle. First off is the Alchemy system. We're going to be doing a lot of big updates to the Alchemy system in the next 4 or 5 months, probably less than that, but you never know. We have a lot of ideas, a lot of things that we're going to do to help improve the Alchemy system. But in the short term, we've made a couple of big updates like the Philosopher's Cache. Now whenever you open a Philosopher's Cache, you're going to get one of these 10 random bags. When you open that bag, you're going to see a screen like this with a whole bunch of different items. And now you get your choice of any one of these items, your choice. Originally, when you opened the Philosopher's Cache, you got one of like 30 random items. One random item. And it can be really good or really bad. And if you're trying to craft, and you're trying to do the Gaia Alchemy, and you really need a certain item, and you keep getting something else, that's not going to help you. So we want to be able to empower you to get what you want. So now you can figure out which bag has the item that you want, pick up that bag, and you can get exactly what you need for your alchemy recipe. So it's a lot easier now, a lot easier to get those recipes and those ingredients. Almost all of the recipes are also now available for gold in the gold shop. Alright, there's still some that are available for cash in the cash shop. There's still some that are really rare that you can find in the Alchemist case, but a large majority of them, I think it's like 80 or 90% of the recipes are now available for gold in that gold shop. So be sure to check those out. It's a lot easier now to do alchemy, and we are really excited about those changes and helping to improve that system. We